Good evening, everyone. My name is Ashutosh Patwardhan, and I know most of you must have seen me perform here. Uh, yeah. So, yes, uh, I'm going to talk about theater, my passion, and I would like to share the different aspects of theater that are there. When I was a kid, I used to go to Mumbai and Pune and watch plays over there, and used to see those guys and used to feel, wow, how nice it would be feeling to stand up on that stage and perform. Uh, yeah. So since 9, I was performing on stage, like dancing, singing. But theater is what that really attracted me. It was like, wow, that is very good to perform on stage. So I started off with a Marathi play, and since that was my first performance, I had no idea what the lights were or what the music was going on. I was just concentrating on my dialogues, and I was just concentrating on my movements that I have to take as per the instructions from my director. Yeah, then I did my another Marathi play called Nirop, and from here I started to learn things. I started to understand what exactly is meant by a character and why it is so important in a play, especially. So, yeah, then I did a play called Saticha Van in Marathi, and this play was a very different play because in this, except for the protagonist, everyone else were playing multiple roles. And this was the first play where, I went to a different city to perform. And from there, I started going to like cities and started my performance. Yeah, this was my first English play that I did, Nagamandala, with a new group, Nishumbita, and that was a new group for me. This was a 3-act play, very long play, and we rehearsed for more than 3-4 months for this, and we really worked very hard. Uh, yeah. In this play, I learned a lot of things, especially time management, because at that time I was working. So I had to manage my office and my rehearsals. Apart from that, I also learned what is set design and how it is very important. Yeah, these are my Hindi plays, Nithalle and To Be or Not to Be. Nithalle was done in 2 different formats, one as a street play and other one as a proscenium. So in a single play, I understood what all points I should keep in mind while doing a proscenium play and a street play. Yeah, this is Nithalle as a street play format. And that is Hat Teri Kismat, where for the first time we used mask. Now, mask has also its own importance in theater because masks show a physical change of the character. And there are masks which are specific to each character. Yeah, we rehearse a lot for a play, months or 2 months, and we work very hard on to understand the character. It's how he would react to certain situations and what his state of mind would be. Yeah, we work on the body language, we work on the dialogue delivery, the movements that we have to take, and everyone are allowed to think about the play, about the characters, so that when everyone thinks and give their inputs, the play gets new dimensions. Yeah, we don't rehearse every time. We do a lot of masti. We pull each other's legs. We fight, and sometimes we just sit down, have a cup of tea, and just chit chat normally without forgetting all the rehearsal and. Food, yes. When I get late to rehearsals, everyone will be staring at me. Why you're late? You have wasted my time. So I just carry some samosas. Here, guys, eat. Be happy, cool. Don't scold me, okay? So that is what I do. But yeah, there's a lot of fun and also a lot of hard work that we do. Yes, the light design. Light design is very important for a play. Because it sets a mood for the play, and lights are also useful to show the change in time or the change in location that sometimes happens in the play, in the story that's going on. That's a dimmer which is used to change the intensity of the light. That's a very old one. New one is over here. That's the new one. And yeah. I also did music for a couple of plays, and that is the music console. It's over there. That is used to adjust the volume and set the timing for the play. Now, music I feel is very difficult part because the timing and the volume should be very perfect. It should be perfect. There's no error. Yeah. I took a couple of workshops for kids and for elder people as well. This is the workshop that I recently took for kids of MAD, Make a Difference. And we taught them about basic theater exercises and all. And that was a lot of fun over there. Yeah, I also do photography. When I'm not acting, I'm like behind the camera and taking photographs of the actors. These are a few of my photographs, and this is all in action. There's no like stand, smile piece, nothing like that. It's all in action. There are some more photographs that I have taken. Basically, the color combination and the concept behind the photograph, it's very interesting for me. I look for those things while taking a picture. So there are different things that can be done in theater, and I think this is the best thing that defines what is theater. Theater was created to tell people the truth about life and the social situations. So that's it. Yeah, thank you.